If you're wondering how to use teamwork.com for Agile project management, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how this powerful platform can streamline your workflow and help your team collaborate seamlessly, no matter the project size. Stick around until the end because I'm going to share an exclusive bonus to get started with teamwork.com for free. Let's dive right into how Teamwork can help you manage your Agile projects. Teamwork is designed to be flexible, making it perfect for Agile methodologies where you need to prioritize tasks, stay on top of sprints, and maintain clear communication between team members. When you first sign up, you'll find a clean, intuitive interface. The dashboard provides a snapshot of all ongoing projects, which is crucial for tracking multiple Agile teams or projects at once. Teamwork.com lets you easily create projects and break them down into manageable tasks, perfect for Agile sprint planning. One of the key features here is the ability to create tasks and assign them to team members. This is essential for Agile management, as you can quickly prioritize tasks, update their status, and make sure everything stays on track. Within each task, you can add descriptions, checklists, and even set deadlines, which is vital for Agile planning. Next up is the board view. This view is the true bread and butter of Agile project management. It lets you visualize your tasks as cards within a Kanban board. This makes it easy to drag and drop tasks between columns as they move through the sprint lifecycle, from to do to in progress, and eventually to completed. It's ideal for Agile teams who need to stay on top of task progress without getting lost in the details. You'll also find that teamwork.com integrates well with time tracking and resource management tools, which helps when planning and tracking sprints. The time tracking feature allows your team to log hours spent on tasks, so you can easily assess how long it takes to complete certain tasks and adjust future sprint planning accordingly. For Agile teams that need to communicate frequently, Teamwork offers a built-in messaging system and comment sections on each task. This ensures that all team members are on the same page, eliminating the risk of miscommunication and promoting transparency. When it comes to Agile retrospectives, Teamwork.com helps you analyze your team's performance. You can create reports that give you insights into what's working and what needs improvement. These reports can be tailored to show how much work is completed during each sprint, helping your team fine-tune its process over time. Another bonus with Teamwork is its ability to integrate with other tools that you might already be using, like Slack, Google Drive, or GitHub. This ensures that your workflow stays smooth across different platforms, and your team doesn't have to jump between tabs to access all the necessary information. And the best part? You can get started with teamwork.com for free from the link below, and I've got some exclusive bonuses to help you hit the ground running. Now, you might be wondering, why teamwork.com for Agile project management? Well, its customizable features, ease of use, and comprehensive tools make it one of the most efficient platforms for Agile teams looking to optimize their workflow. Before you go, make sure you grab your extended free trial using the link in the description below. With this, you can dive deeper into all the premium features of teamwork.com and decide if it's the right fit for your Agile projects. Happy managing!